What is the LQ? LQ is ls minus rho. This is the queue, this is the server where it is getting service. This is LQ and this is ls. Okay, you can easily say that LQ is equals to ls minus rho. Welcome back. Now in this video I am going to tell you a trick regarding the queue theory. Basically I will tell you formula for the queue theory, because theory is not important, only the formula is important, because formula based question are arrived in the examination, so you have to write only the formula, not the theory. Theory is not very much important. So first of all I will start with some basic things that will be used in the queue theory. The first one is the percentage time system is busy, or you can also call it as utilization factor or average utilization or clearing ratio. This is denoted as rho. Okay. The second one is the percentage time system is idle, or probability of zero customer or customer does not have to wait. As you know, as you can see that the percentage time system is busy, this is denoted as rho. So percentage time system is idle, it will be shown as 1 minus rho. Okay, 1 minus rho. As system is completely open, or you can say that it is not filled, it is totally empty. So if a customer arrived, it will be served immediately. So there will be zero customer in the line, or you can say that customer do not have to wait. Okay, the average number of customer in the system, it is denoted as ls. I will tell you formula. After that Little's law, I will tell you now what is the formula for ls. Average number of customer in the queue is denoted as LQ. Okay, L for length, or you can say that number of customer, S for system, Q or Q. What is the meaning of Little's law? It is very important, because Little's law is a law, so you cannot apply any trick. So you have to write what is the meaning of what Little's law say. It is say that ls is equals to lambda into w into ws. ls equals to lambda into ws, where ws is the waiting time in the system and lambda is arrival rate. Okay, lq is equals to lambda into wq, where the wq is the waiting time in the queue. So what is the formula of q? The formula of q is lambda upon mu, or you can say that arrival, you can say that you have to say, because this is the formula, arrival rate upon service rate. Okay, you can say that it is A by S. The short formula is A by S. You have to remember, as you know that how you make a human in cartoon, this one. Okay, these are the leg. So this is called arrival and this is the service. I will tell you a very short formula for this. Okay, and the percentage time system is idle, you can say that 1 minus lambda upon mu. Now the very important is ls. What ls is called? Ls is rho upon 1 minus rho, or you can say that this is rho donated idle time, sorry, rho donated busy time. So you can write busy upon 1 minus, what is 1 minus rho denoted? This is called idle time. So this is called idle time. This is the ls. Okay, now what is the formula for average number of customer in the queue? So I want to tell. After that I have to remove all these things, so I will make you understand how you can easily remember LQ. Okay, now say there is a room, this is the room, and there are some customers, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, there is a server that provides service, and they both are the part of server. Okay, this is the queue, this is the queue, QUEUE, this is the queue, and there is another room, this is called the system, this is called the system, and this person is actually taking the service, and the service taking, you can say that when the system is busy, this is called row. Okay, this is called LQ, length of queue, and this is the length that actually in system, this is called LS. So you can say that this is LS is LQ plus row. You can see that this is LS and this is Q and this is row. So you can also I can show you here that this is LQ, LS, this is LS, then LS is LQ plus row, or LQ is equals to LS minus row. So this is the formula for LQ. What was the formula for LS? Number of customer in the system is row upon 1 minus row. Okay, then what is the formula for number of customer in the queue? Is row upon 1 minus Q minus row is equals to row upon 1 minus row plus row square. This is row square upon 1 minus row is equals to row upon 1 minus row into row, and this will be LS. Okay, this will be LQ, this is LS into LQ. Okay, there are two outcomes. The first one is this one and the second one is this one. They both are very important, and it is very easy to remember. Okay, now you can take a pause and see this carefully. Now the trick actually starts from here. The formula for row is arrival rate upon service rate. Okay, this is called A by S. Now you have lots of friends whose name start with the A and just end with S. I have lot of friends, so I just remember A by S. और हिंदी में आप क्या कहोगे? आओ अपॉन पाओ, आओ upon pow. Until you come, you will never gain. Okay, this is for Hindi, this is for English. A by S. So, and the formula for LS is busy upon idle, busy upon idle. The busy is system is busy and system for idle, and you can easily remember lambda में mu upon lambda upon mu. So this will be lambda upon mu minus lambda, and for the LQ, LS into row or LS minus row, the both are same and the formula raised in the same level. So lambda upon mu minus row into lambda upon mu is lambda square upon mu minus lambda. Okay, now I will talk about the Little's law. Little's law, it is not very difficult to understand. It is said that the number of customer in the system is arrival rate into waiting time. Okay, if this waiting time is this number of customer in the system, then the waiting side, then the waiting time will also be in the system, and if the number of customer in the queue, then waiting time will be also in the queue. You know that the formula for LS is rho upon 1 minus rho or lambda upon mu minus lambda. You can directly put here. The formula for waiting time for the system in the system is called as LS upon lambda, and the formula for lambda upon mu minus lambda into 1 minus lambda, it will be cancelled out. It will be 1 minus mu minus lambda. Okay, so WS is equals to 1 minus mu minus lambda. Now the formula for LQ. Now the formula for LQ. What is the LQ? LQ is LS minus rho. this is the queue, this is the server where it is getting service, this is LQ and this is LS. Okay, you can easily say that LQ is equals to LS minus rho. Put this value here. LS minus rho is equals to lambda into W into Q. So what is the formula for LQ? WQ. WQ is equals to LS minus rho minus lambda. The formula for this LS is lambda square mu minus lambda into lambda by mu into lambda. Lambda to lambda cancel out, and this is all lambda is here. Lambda to lambda cancel out. This is lambda upon mu minus lambda minus 1 minus mu. You can easily derive it. If initially you have understand what is the meaning of WQ, WS, from where it is come, so you can easily derive it. Now I am going to tell you the representation of cube modeling. Sometimes it is written as A, B, C, D, E, F, or you can write as A upon B upon C, D, E, F. Okay, where A shows probability distribution for the arrival rate, okay. B shows probability distribution for service rate. C shows number of server in the system, okay. What D shows? D shows the service pattern. E shows the size of the server, okay. And F shows the size of the calling population. Basically all these are related to each other, because as you can see that A and F are related to each other. The probability distribution for the arrival rate, and from where this arrival is coming, from the calling population. And B, probability distribution for the service, it coming from the server, okay. Now C is the number of server in the system, and it give in order of D. D is the service pattern. So what is the service pattern? First come first serve, or you can first in first out, last come first serve, last in first out, okay. Or you can say VIP treatment, or service in random order 0. These are some common. Now I am going to give you ASAP of Q theory. ASAP. What I am giving? ASAP. So now what is the formula for rho? Is arrival upon service. This is A by S. What is the distribution of arrival rate? Arrival rate distribution is Poisson, okay. And service rate, it is called normal. Oh sorry, the service rate is exponential, okay. Now I will end the trick here. You can easily remember this formula because of this trick. So you can prefer any other theory book that will be used to understand what is the Q theory is. My work was to just give you a trick so that you can easily remember the formula, nothing else. Okay, thank you.